Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Inspirations by Neena. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for giving wonderful response to all the videos that I have uploaded till now, and the kind of support and appreciation that we have been receiving from you is really great. Thanks a lot for that. Now today we shall be learning about the power of creativity. I can assure you about one thing today is that after watching this video, you would surely feel more confident, happy, enthusiastic, and you would be able to take bigger responsibilities in life. It will surely boost up your creative edge. So with this promise, let us begin with today's lecture. First of all, let us understand what is creativity. Creativity in simple language can be defined as thinking out of the box, or we can say that कुछ हट कर करना और किसी कार्य को अलग ढंग से करना. आप सब में ये क्रिएटिविटी छुपी हुई है. हमें सिर्फ इसको बाहर उभार कर लाना है और दूसरों से कुछ अलग करना है, कुछ बड़ा करना है और अलग दिखना है. I have picked up a beautiful thought from my favorite author's book, that is You Can Win by Shiv Khera. He has mentioned that successful people don't do different things, but they do things differently. Now what does it mean? It means that क्रिएटिविटी उन्हीं लोगों में दिखाई देती है जो एक काम को कुछ अलग ढंग से करते हैं. कोई अलग काम नहीं करते हैं, पर उसी काम को कुछ अलग ढंग से करते हैं, एक नए स्टाइल में करते हैं, उसमें कुछ इनोवेशन ऐड करते हैं. क्रिएटिविटी एंड एंथुसियाज्म, they always complement each other. So I can say that creativity equals to enthusiasm. If you have an enthusiastic personality, definitely it gives a signal that you are a creative person. So, if you have creativity in your working style, definitely it multiplies your efficiency. It makes the work more interesting. Now, there is a very deep meaning in these lines. एक तरीका होता है कि हम एक ही काम को रोज एक ही ढंग से कर रहे हैं, तो हमारी लाइफ बहुत ही मोनोटोनस हो जाती है, बहुत ही बोरिंग हो जाती है. ना हमें अगर उस बोर्डम को ब्रेक करना है तो हमें अपने वर्किंग स्टाइल में कुछ इनोवेटिव आइडियाज़ लाने पड़ेंगे. हमें अपना कुछ वर्किंग स्टाइल चेंज करना पड़ेगा. और अगर हम अपने वर्किंग पैटर्न में थोड़ा सा भी कुछ न्यूनेस लेके आते हैं तो हमारा काम बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग बन जाता है. और ऐसे क्रिएटिव लोगों को मैनेजमेंट भी बहुत ज़्यादा लाइक करता है. क्रिएटिविटी ऑल्सो टॉक्स अबाउट equifinality. Now what does equifinality mean? Equifinality means there can be more than one way of doing a same task. We can do a task in 1,000 different ways. So it brings more confidence in us and it gives a sense of achievement. Definitely, when you complete a task in a different manner as compared to others, you get more of applause and people appreciate you for doing it in a new manner. So you get appreciation from your friends and your colleagues and from the management, from your bosses. Let us take a look at some of the pictures from the creativity building workshops that I have taken with many of the students and working professionals. As we can see from these pictures that all the participants are given a set of words, and in a limited duration of time they have to make meaningful sentences. So by doing this activity they find it so interesting and it helps them to brush up their mind and come up with some new thoughts. This is a wonderful team building exercise that builds up the team spirit and a winning attitude among the participants. And the participants really do a lot of cohesion and it builds their cohesiveness too. It also helps you to break the barriers and misconceptions, and your ideas are always appreciated and promoted. Yes, people appreciate you for coming up with new ideas and new ways of doing a task. So in whole, we can say that creativity adds positivity in you and around you. It makes you happy, makes you enthusiastic, makes you energetic all the time, and people like to be in your company because you keep on teaching them something new all the time. Therefore, keep on adding creativity to your work and make your job and your life more meaningful and your personality more enthusiastic and charming. And let the world know that yes, you are a creative person, you are an intelligent person. Good luck to you and all my good wishes for your future endeavors. So what are you waiting for? Just go and grab the opportunity and exhibit your creative skills and see success and money following you. Do subscribe to our channel for more of such motivational videos, and please like the video if you have liked it and share with your friends too, so that together we can make this world a beautiful place to live in. Do mail us at ibneena@gmail.com for your suggestions and requests, or for such creative indoor or outdoor training workshops. Thanks again for investing your time. We'll catch you soon with some new stuff. Take care. Bye-bye.